Let's learn how to open the Lloyds Bank account online. So welcome back to another video everyone. If you want to open a Lloyds Bank account online, then watch this video until the very end so you don't make any mistakes. So you want to open your web browser and then go over to lloydsbank.com. That's the official bank website and it's gonna look something like this, and this is where we're gonna open our account. And keep in mind that we are talking about creating a new account and not signing up for an online banking account. Basically, you want to scroll down until you can see this Our Products section and then click on Current Accounts. On this page, we can see all of the different accounts that we can create and apply for. They have this Classic account, Club Lloyds, the Silver account and Platinum account. You can see a description of all the different things each of the accounts offers, so select the one that you want to create. I'll select this Classic one and we can continue with the next steps. Now click on this Ready to Apply button right here. And of course you'll have to be over 18 years of age to apply and create an account, as it says in this disclaimer here. You can see 3 different sections right here. You can select if you are a new customer to their bank, an existing customer, or you can open a joint account. If you are an existing customer, you can select this Login to apply, or if you are a new customer, you can select this Apply Now. If you are a new customer and you chose to apply now, you'll get to this specific page where you will see this Ready to Open a Classic account, so just tap on the Continue button and then it will get us to this page where we can fill in a form. You can continue on your mobile by scanning this QR code because they may need to ask you for a picture of your ID in order to prove your identity. So scan the QR code and you can continue on your phone and follow the instructions, or you can continue on your PC or laptop, which is what I am going to do. So I have a question here asking me if I am an existing customer, and I'll select No. Is this going to be our main account? So I'll select Yes. And you'll get a couple of disclaimers on who looks at your information, how they use your personal information, so you can expand these fields and read these disclaimers if you want to. When we click on the Continue button, we'll just need to enter in our first and last name, our gender, date of birth, phone number, and all that other stuff. So when you enter all of that information, you'll be able to successfully open your Lloyds Bank account online. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a comment down below and I'll see you in the next video.